How to check other viewers on Facebook story. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first tap on the Facebook application and then make sure that you've logged in. Now tap on your profile at the top right corner of the screen and then go to the settings and privacy by scrolling down. Tap on settings and after tapping on settings you can search via search bar and just search for story. Now just select on stories option over here. So setting your story to public means it allows you to see who those people who viewed your story, not only just your friends rather who view your story, but also those people who aren't your friends and is also showed under your story viewers as others. When you have this set to public, of course it is going to show all of the names, also those other people who view your story. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.